When you're building your persona on social media or you're becoming the next thing that people want to see or watch, the one thing that they're paying attention to is your content. Whether you're a small business owner and you're trying to get attention in your marketplace, or maybe you're an entrepreneur that's trying to build a coaching business, like whatever that is, people are going to watch your content, and based on that content, they're going to tune in. But there's this thing that's becoming more prevalent these days. It's called AI. People have access to AI. Here's the thing. Can AI produce content? Yes. En masse? Yes. But here's what AI cannot do. It can't be your voice. It can't speak for you. You can train ChatGPT to do a lot of things. So in producing content, the key is quality content, because people are going to be watching your content. They're going to be determining, is that content relevant to me? And is that content authentic? AI can do a lot of things. The one thing it can't do is reproduce you and your voice. So be consistent in producing quality content, and you'll see the people following you begin to grow.